This is how my car currently starts. It doesn't. Well, it does, just not with the ignition switch. I found a video that bypasses the starter relay. It jumps the top left prong with the bottom right prong. I can easily do this, but I'll run wires from the main power and the starter wires to a push button start. Two simple wires. I wanted it here or here, but decided to put it here. The battery is kind of weak right now. The wires leave the fuse box. Travels in front of the radiator. Passes under the driver's side fender. Goes down between the fender and the door. Then passes through the door grommet. And under the steering column. Someone tries to steal my car, it won't start.
Joke's on you!